Yo, see this? This is what having a dog and a blonde girlfriend looks like. Trying to vacuum, nothing. Yo, see this? This is what having a dog and a blonde girlfriend looks like. Trying to vacuum, nothing's being vacuumed up. And you can't vacuum anything up because your vacuum's clogging up with air. Lovely stuff. Cheers, Laura. Cheers, Mimi. It's not even the worst bit. Look at it, man. Oh my god. It's so bad. Well, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to bore you to death, but I'm going to get all that out of there. But before we do, look at this. This is like a couple of days worth of vacuuming. That is full of hair and dog hairs. Look at it. Oh my god. Whew. Man, why does my nan ring me when I'm doing something on the car all the time? I'll have to call her back. Every day she calls me, and it seems to be whenever I'm working on the car. Yeah guys, what is happening? Welcome back to a brand new video. You know, I've been so demotivated, man. This lockdown is killing me, and if any of you are watching this after this lockdown, it's how I'm feeling at this exact time. You probably ain't saw me with a trim either. I've gone for a Sergeant Hayden look. Yeah, I'm bored, I'm losing my head. The only thing I seem to be doing is playing Call of Duty. I can't really go out for a drive, much as I want to go out for a drive and that. I don't think you're allowed to, so I'm not doing that. So only time I get to go out in the car is when she wants to go shopping, and Morrison's is only over the road, so it's not good for me. So yeah, what we're going to do is give them again a little clean up inside. I'll get to a point on the car where normally I just throw loads of crap in the car, and then I think, whoa, it's getting a mess now. So no matter what car I've had, I get to a point where it's a state, and then I think I need to clean it. So what we're doing today, we're going to give it a little clean up, and I'll just show you what I use. It's going to be nothing special. So yeah, let's see how clean we can get it. So let's go. Right, and so this is what my car normally looks like. So I don't normally carry this around me, but I've been waiting for a good time to use it. Smoke grenade. I've got like screws out the bumper, screwdriver just in case I need to take anything off. I've got vacuum, some fast glass, nothing special there. Do you know what I do actually like about these Megans? I've got secret compartments under there, which is pretty cool. Don't know what you'd need that for. If anyone knows, please let me know. Canon Monster as usual. Seats ain't too bad. And then I've got in the back, I've got a tree growing, dirty ass football boot, gear gate, a trim for centre console, same again, centre console, lovely cloth. Yeah, I need that to be fair, I need to put that back in. Yeah, centre console, football boot. What's in here then? Let's move this side. So we've got a pump. It seems to have a slow puncher. Receipts, Evo engine mount. This one is at the top. If anyone wants to buy it, drop me a message down below. I'll sort them out. Don't worry. Yes, winner chicken dinner. 50p. I'll have that. Arguably my favourite chocolate ever, Milky Bar, is dank. Anyone agree? If you agree, thumbs up, man. You gotta thumbs that stuff up. And then when I was practicing wrapping stuff, I just thought give up because it looked wank. So yeah, that's it. And then my lead for the dog. And then like a packet of sweets there, and that's it. To be fair, let's have a look in the boot. In the boot, what do we have? We have a toolbox, because I don't know why I just carry the toolbox around with me. I have my spoiler, which is scratched to bits, man. Look at it. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to get Probably have to get Manny to spray this because the state of it. It's only been in it with a toolbox and it's scratched a bit, so yeah, that won't be going on. Yeah, that is it really. I might put my knob on my shifter. Well, my little warmer. What is that? Eee, that's black hair. What is that off? Oh, that's disgusting. Oh shit. Right then, let's put her on, see how she looks. Oh, come on, this one-handed shit's flipping hard, man. Oh, look how cute it looks. Absolutely savage but cute at the same time. Really sweet. So what we'll hopefully do first with this trim, pop that trim back in just so it looks completed and finished. There we go, lovely stuff. That's back in now. Let me show you. There we go, looks OEM plus. Right, so what we're going to do first, we're just going to give it a little blast with a vacuum and try and get as much loose stuff up as we can, and then we've got a brush to agitate it if need be, so let's go. I don't know why yet, but vacuuming carpets is like my least favourite thing because you keep going over it and over it and over it and it's crap. It's just like it moves the dirt around. So yeah, that's been vacuumed. This kind of like wire brush helps a bit, but it's not the best, I'll be honest. I don't know I see videos and that on Instagram and that, and they've got like lines and everything in the carpet, and I have no idea how you like do it. So yeah, I'm gonna give it my best go and just make sure it looks as good as I can get it. But I'm not gonna spend ages on the carpet because I cannot be arsed. So let's go. What's a bit of traffic film remover? Spray that on there. We're going to do the pedals as well. And then give it a clean. The problem with some stuff is when you spray it and then when it dries, it just dries back to how it was, filthy again, so that's what you gotta watch out for. That's sweet, that is. Even just like the trim bits along here that contain all the dirt and stuff, just give the pedals a little clean. I'm going to spray the trim stuff down here and just see if it can spruce it up a little bit. That's what I'm using just in case anyone wonders. To be fair with you, that has come out pretty good, man. It's even gave a little bit of gloss black to the little rubber, and it's got rid of the dirt, so yeah. Just what I'm using, to be fair. I don't even know if you can use it on this, but multi-purpose pre-wash. We ain't doing no pre-wash, we're just getting rid of dirt and stuff, so little like marks and stuff like that on here. Just give it a little clean and see what we can do. So if I may say so myself, that looks mint. So I've cleaned this little trim bit here. Here I'm going to struggle because I can't not get the vacuum in there, so I don't know what we're going to do there, which is an absolute mess. But yeah, the driver's side bit looks pretty banging, to be fair, already. Right then, so the front's vacked. I've used that trim pre-workout, not pre-wash, so trim bug and tar. Right, so we give it a good old clean little vac. It looks loads better now. I need to stop being a div and I need to set the back seats out again because I had a little meltdown the other day and I thought I'm putting the seats back in, I've had enough, but I've got to take them out again. I don't know why I did that, so yeah. That's it, it's looking pretty clean. Now I just need to spin the car around and then get the passenger side closest to the curb, because my driveway is shit, so I can't even have my car on my drive whilst I'm doing stuff. So right then, so it's the same drill as before. Oh, Mackey's chip. To be fair, McDonald's has been closed for ages, so it'd be rude not to, innit? Yeah. Oh my god, they're probably like 2 months old. Still tastes like a chip though. So yeah, usual sketch. Just a bit of crap and that without get up. And then yeah, see if I can put something on the back, because the back's a bit scratched on the Recaros. And yeah, I'll take the seats out again at some point. Whee! Yo, it's come up pucker. I've just got to put the carpet back in, the mat back in. I've cleaned this sill and that. It's come up pretty nice, to be fair, just for a quick wipe. I've got to clean the door trim, because my girlfriend seems to like, when we're sitting there with the door open, she likes putting her feet on the trim. So I don't know if you can see her trainer marks, but yeah, they're hers, so hopefully we can get them out. But I'm mat back in, then we got to do the back. We'll see what happens here. Right then, I'm having a little breather. Just got the last bit to do, and I'm going to snow foam the car. I'm not actually going to wash it. I'm literally going to rinse it, snow foam it, and then rinse it off. It's got loads of dirt on it, but because it's got that Geon protection bath, Geon bath, I think it's called. Well, before I went out in it, it was beading like hell, like proper mad, and you could see the dirt particles like sitting in the water bubbles. A bird's pooed on it and that, so if a bird poos on your car, get it off as soon as, because it'll burn into your paint, and then when you clean your car, you'll have a mad little spot where the poo was, so get that off. Yeah, I've been a bit naughty lately with these, man. I said I was going to stop, and I haven't. I love them, I genuinely love them. I don't drink, I don't smoke. I think this is the only bad thing I do really for myself, and I think sometimes I think I'm going to quit, I'm not going to have them anymore, and then part of me thinks life's for living. You're supposed to love what you do and enjoy what you do. And yes, I could drink 3-4 of these a day easy. I have 1, maybe 2 a day, depends obviously how many I got. I feel like it sound like an alky, but you know, I love them, man. Like literally, these are pucker. I've been drinking these for like 10-12 years maybe. Back on, like, if anyone remembers Forza, like Forza 1 or 2, when you could let the driver do the track for you and it would take like 30 laps, back in the day, man. But yeah, Monster, if you want to sponsor me, yeah, I'll happily take a sponsorship deal. Let's go. So yeah, cheers everyone, hope you're staying safe and that, and we'll get to the back in a sec. If dreams tasted like a drink, it would definitely be this. If anyone else drinks energy drinks, what's your favourite? Comment down below. I'm not just, don't think that, because I do videos and I post it on YouTube, don't think that I'm anything special, because I'm not. Yeah, I'm literally a normal person. If you want to talk about anything or message me, comment anything, comment down below, man. I'll get in touch. I love speaking with you guys, and that's why I do what I do, because I enjoy making this, and I hope that you enjoy watching it and we can communicate. I'm sorry it's been a bit dead the last couple of weeks. Lockdowns affected me as well, man. I'm on this furlough, so I'm not on the money I normally get from work and stuff, so I'm losing money, and I can't really afford to be buying a steering wheel for 400 quid and stuff like that, so I'm just sitting tight at the minute. But as soon as lockdown's over, I swear to God, as soon as lockdown's over, it's getting mapped, so be ready for that one. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, because it's going to get mapped as soon as lockdown's over. So yeah, let me finish my drink and we'll get to the back. So what I've noticed, I use Gion Bath, I think that's shampoo. I use the shampoo and I use the Gion protectant. And what I'll tell you is, that is Auto Bright glass sealant, yeah, and you can see the way it's trying to come off. And then look at the bodywork. It doesn't seem to look like it's got any protection on whatsoever. So what we'll do, I'll give it a rinse. And see, look, the bonnet doesn't seem to be like it looks too protected either. Right then guys, that is it for today's video. I'm so sorry it's not like packed full of content. I feel like most of my subscribers watch me for the car and that, and some people are messaging me like, yo, it doesn't matter what you put out, just let us give us something to watch. So with that in mind, I'll try and think of some things that I can maybe video, like the 0 to 5,000, 10,000 pound car videos. Maybe even do what cars my subscribers have. What would I even do to them cars if I had them? So yeah, let me know if you think of anything you'd like to see and stuff. I really appreciate some ideas and that. With lockdown being like this and not being able to spend any money, it's a bit difficult for videos. Like I said, I didn't want to spam you with stuff because I felt like I wanted to add value to your viewing time and stuff. So maybe I just think about it too much. I think that's probably the problem. So yeah, I really appreciate all my subscribers so far. 6,500 of you amazing people. So yeah, can't wait. Big things coming, especially after lockdown's over. So yeah, like, share, subscribe, and stay safe everyone, and see you soon. Peace.